So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I think I'm doing a vlog after a long time. Today is the day, and about my surgery, it's still planning. The doctor is ready, and the surgery cost is way higher than I expected. So it's taking some more time for to get the loan and all. And regarding the bike selling, there are many people who contacted me. The problem is that the bike is still under loan. So first I need to close the loan, only then I can sell it. So I'm waiting for that one. Plus today I forgot to charge my bike. It was only at 10 to 20%. Then when I came out, I went to the high court to do some work which I had. Then then I noticed that two screws were missing from the bike. Okay, one from the mudguard and one from the the barrier which is behind. So I consulted one mechanic near my home. I mean near to the office, but the proper screw was not available. So I just directly came to the UB station where they replaced the screw for free, absolutely free. I think that's one good part if you have a service center of your own bike, own company nearby. So that's one good thing. Also, I met one of the viewer of the channel and he was speaking about all the bike related things. Even he bought one Ultraviolette X47 Recon model where right now he's here to change the front tire. So that's all. Also, I met some people over there. So I kept my bike on charging. It would take approximately 2 hours for charging from the Supernova charging station. Meantime, I thought near to that there is a mall nearby. I thought I'll watch one movie, then I'll come back take the bike, which is nearby, approximately 300 meters, which is right over here. So I'll watch the movie. I'll come back. I'll take the bike. Okay. So right now I'm at the Oberon Mall. I think the movie theater, the PVR is in the top floor. It's like the fourth floor. So I'm watching the movie Adredi. I thought I'll watch Drishyam 3 today, but the tickets are not available. So I booked for Adredi. And yeah, let's go. I just watched the movie and it was too good. It's related to a college life. It was pretty good, and I just know I had a shawarma and all. So right now I'm on the way to pick up my bike, which was at the Ultraviolette showroom for charging. I kept it for charging. I think it's been almost more than 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So always charge. I already told the security guy that I'll be charging it in case if someone else want to use it, they can use it, no issues. So right now I'm on the way to pick that up. Okay, done. Finally, we have reached the Ultraviolette station, and our bike is right over here. If the charging is completed, if you click over here, it won't work. If it is on charging, if you click over here, it will show the battery percent over here. Okay, so that's one point. I know, just let me just back it on. Yeah, it's completely charged as I said. So it's been 3.5 hours. I think it charged 1 hour back. I think it took around 2 hours 50 minutes to charge, if I calculated correctly. So that's it. Let me take my bike and go home. Before that, let me have a coffee from there. Okay, that's it. So there is a small trouble when I came for the fixing of the screws. I actually kept my helmet inside the showroom. Then I left to watch the movie. Right now, obviously the showroom is closed and the key is with the service staffs. And right now I had to go without my helmet. I have a spare helmet in my home, so I had to. Right now I have to travel without the helmet. I'm sorry. So tomorrow I'll take my spare helmet. I'll come here. I'll collect the helmet again. So that's it for today, and I'll meet you once I reach home. Done. I think you don't need any more explanation for this one. I am on the way to home. I can reach home within 10 minutes, but it started raining suddenly. The bike is over here. No issues. I can go in rain, but I have some documents in my bag and I did not take my raincoat. So I had to wait till it stopped raining. Finally, guys, I'm back home. I'm going to my room. I need to get changed. Finally, after a long day, I'm back at my desk having my dinner, and after that, I can just watch some YouTube videos. Then I can sleep finally. So, I have my dinner over here. I have my iPad. So, so it was a good vlog, good day. I actually left home for my work. On the way, I took leave. Then I went to High Court because I had some work. After that, I went to UV. Then I went to watch movies. Finally, I'm back. Right now, it is 11:38. Almost another day. So, yeah, that's it for today. If you guys like this kind of videos, please make sure to subscribe and see you in my next video.